In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Mbox future while talking about the Mobox cost conjecture for 2022 and then some, which is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly remember that you want to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything certainly is an unpleasant errand. Certainly not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Mobox. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner. Before we dig profound into the Mobox value expectation and answer questions in the event that Mbox in every practical sense basically is a by and large wise venture or not. For what reason will Mbox succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Mobox value rise or drop? We should rapidly especially toss a look at what Mbox truly is and its to-date history in a really significant manner. The entire crypto world basically is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has especially drooped half from its unsurpassed genuinely high in the midst of the more extensive market truly drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expands, which is very critical. Financial backers sort of are selling dangerous resources and moving into substantially more especially stable business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto sort of is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe by and large play, and thus the auction, which entirely the most part is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the very second piece of the year. This is especially generally reflected in our 2022 forecasts, which is very huge. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to sort of find a neighborhood base before we can move in the fundamentally inverse course and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will sort of begin to basically in every way that really matters, do likewise. We basically have seen this situation many sort of times in the separated and sort of later history, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation model varies negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We explicitly expect whales and really other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Or so they thought. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each undertaking in an extremely significant manner. Essentials that we generally assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity, and theoretical by and large really potential and some sort of other pretty most certainly restrictive elements created in our crypto lab in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. 2022 1013 in an unobtrusive manner, plus 6.35% $0 6599 2022 1014 in a very significant manner, plus 0.77% $0 6253 2022 1015 in a quite enormous manner in an unobtrusive way, plus 5.13% $0 6524 2022 1016 or so they fundamentally truly thought, plus 2.82% $0 6381 2022 1017 plus 4.80% $0 6503 2022 1018, which sort of in a real sense is very critical in an unpretentious manner. 1.16% $0 6134 2022 1019 plus 2.82% $0 6381 2022 1020 3.43% $0 5993 2022 1021 in a kind of large manner, which is genuinely huge, plus 2.10% 63 cents Mobox value expectation 2022, which sort of is very critical. Most of specialists by and large concur that this for the most part in a real sense bear market will commonly genuinely endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions in an unpretentious manner. Prediction model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Underneath fundamentally is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 NAV amazingly in a significant way. 17.71% $0 5107 2022 DEC 36.50% $0 3941 2023 Jan 30.86% $0 4290 2023 Feb in an unpretentious manner 20.00% $0 4964 2023 Blemish incredibly 12.69% $0 5418 2023 APRA in an unpretentious manner 7.05% $0 $5768-2023 May, which most certainly is genuinely huge. 1.84% $0.6091-2023 Jun plus 6.73% $0.6623-2023 Joel in a genuinely large manner, plus 5.36% $0.6538-2023 Og in an unpretentious manner, plus 18.10% $0.7329-2023 Sep in a very large manner, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, plus 24.16% $0.7705-2023 Oct in an unobtrusive manner, plus 26.00% 78 cents MBOX value expectation 2025, or so they thought. Our forecast model sees MBOX coming to $1.22 in 2025. What will MBOX explicitly be worth in 5 years, or so they sort of thought? The cost of MBOX in 5 years could in a real sense lie around $1.20. MOBOX value expectation 2030 to 2040 in a significant manner. What MOBOX will basically be worth in 2030, really as opposed to prevalent thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our determining model sees MOBOX coming to $3.04 in 2030. What MOBOX will in every practical sense be especially worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees MOBOX coming to $6.08 in 2040, which is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Will MOBOX generally supplant, outperform, especially in a real sense overwhelm Bitcoin? No, MOBOX won't by and large supplant or surpass BTC in an exceptionally all things considered, significant way. Might MOBOX at any point for the most part reach $100 amazingly, which basically is very huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for MOBOX to reach $100 in the especially short or midterm period. Could MOBOX at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for MOBOX to reach $1,000 in every way that really matters. Beautiful short or midterm period. Is MOBOX worth purchasing? We truly are supporters of tolerably unsafe money management. Generally put a large portion of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of huge cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain and in every way that really matters, especially significant way. Thus, in this specific circumstance, MOBOX basically is by and large worth purchasing, which generally is very critical, or so they thought. MOBOX is, very much like all sort of exceptionally other digital forms of money, an unsafe interest in a significant way. It truly does basically have higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a for the most part genuinely strong group behind it, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. How very much will MOBOX, especially all things considered, be worth? For the transient future, it could really reach 36 cents, which generally explicitly is very critical. In the long haul, it could leap to $3.04 or even commonly higher. For what reason will MOBOX succeed and become more